One of the things I love about what we do at ITS is from day one, you're hands-on.
Most of the time we have in class is just lab work, which is really nice. So I have a job now, and as I've gone through on my job, I've been able to apply the things that I've learned in school.
Everything that everybody's working on is the same kind of equipment that they will see when they get out there and they're looking for a job. There's no old equipment listed on their resumes, and not all schools are fortunate enough to do that.
It wasn't a lot of essays and tests. It was actually, here's the equipment, work on it. I gained a lot of confidence in my ability to solve problems. It really prepared me for when I got out in the field.
When you go through this program, you learn Linux, you learn Windows, you learn PowerShell, networking, cybersecurity.
When I first started, I knew absolutely nothing about IT, and now I know so much. It's been a fun learning process.
There are some certificates and you can get in the program, but it's 2 years. It's an associate's program. It's fast-paced. There's a lot of things that you're doing. I tell the students, if you're not having fun, we're not doing it right.
If you like technology and if you like hands-on learning, then I think that you'd really like this program.
It's a really fun program, and I would recommend it to anybody.